Welcome to Echotraders. It's 7 minutes after 9 a.m. Monday morning. My name is Dale Elliott. You're in the Echotraders trading room. We're looking at a failed attempt to get up above this here green resistance area on the CL. All right, so we have a green resistance area. The market's target here is 49.58. We have a money off. If the EMA cannot hold, this is where we're looking for the market to go here right now, is from this here resistance area down into retest the EMA. If the EMA blue line here cannot hold as support, we'll look to take some money off, holding on to a short position somewhere around 49.31. Let's see what happens. We're at our 38 at 49.58 right now. 49.58 comes from the left-hand side of your screen. That often will become a support area and walk us sideways and fake us out and all that stuff. So we'll see if we can get a follow through for a cross on the MACD and hang on to a short if we can.
Morning.
Okay, here we are back in the room. It's now 9:33, almost 9:34. The market did pull back up into this area here. We're just going to put a little shaded box on up in here. This here is what we like to call heavier resistance, or otherwise known in the room as gap resistance. Now we'd like to take, I'm going to borrow this here aqua line right here, and we'd like to see the market now respect that, and that 38 look left. 49.58 is the number. Just one sec. Let's see if we can roll that into the back here. 49.58. We'd like to now see that one hold as resistance. So what we have here is the market has come from the resistance area and is now trading below the blue EMA. This is a blue EMA 21 if you're interested. So we're seeing the resistance area hold as resistance. So that means we get to hang on and lock in a little bit of money on any short positions that you have. Now, we suggest that at 49.31, if the market can get down here, that you put a little bit in your pocket. We'll just let the market do all the work for you and sit tight. We thought we'd give the share a little time to mature, and it did while we were discussing the YM in the room. So this year would take out all your stops to the downside. Wasn't ready to go at the time, right? So what this is a classic example. This is the area here. I'll put the crosshairs on here that we had to look for. And the money comes in at 49.49, 49.49, and 49.50. All right, so this year you had to be careful, as we had mentioned in the room here, that you had to have that money locked in. Whoops, that's the wrong guy here. Let me try that again. You had to have that money locked in here if the market was willing to go or not. What we have is a little tiny double bottom, and that's a terrific warning sign. I'll leave that right there. A terrific warning sign to lock in that short position, which is counter trend, as we had discussed on your YM. That's a counter trend move, and the MACD had to follow through. Wasn't going to happen right there. So Counter trend trades tend to be smaller winners, and then that's about the end of the size of it. So we had a good move for as long as it lasted, and it lasted relatively good from resistance, and we can extend this year across. So it wasn't a failed trade. It was just in there about where it is. Till next time, trade well, my friends.